Hello, this is Jeff with Truck-n-Trailer, your capital for commercial vehicle sales and service. Today I'm excited to show you this 2019 Ford F250. It is powered by the 6.2-liter V8 gas engine with only 86,000 miles. Back here we have an 8-foot deep aluminum flatbed by the EB Corporation. It includes a very durable headache rack, non-skid diamond plate flooring, and D-rings that you can see right there. I can think of so many uses for a truck like this. It even has loading ramps that tuck in the back, load up that lawnmower, your four-wheeler, whatever you got. Hey Jeff, how do I buy this truck? Good question, and thanks for asking. We take cash payments and we have very competitive financing available. If financing is something that we can help you out with, just down below is a link for our digital soft pull credit app. It won't ding your credit, but it'll give us all the information that we need to get back with you. Are you seeing those fold down sides? This F250 is all about versatility. As we move into the cab interior, this is a basic work truck with crank windows, manual locks, but we do have a cold AC, AM, FM, tilt, and we have a backup camera. Let me ask you a question. Is this a truck that you might be interested in or something similar to it and you want to see more of them? Well, you gotta let me know. Hit that like, subscribe, and share button. Even hit me up in the comments and I will get back with you personally. The cabin is in very nice condition. It's been well cared for, and everything in here functions and works exactly like it's supposed to. Now keep in mind that we do have nationwide delivery available if you don't have time to come to us. With our licensed and bonded transporters, we can park this truck on your front doorstep. Just give me a call for a quote. The source of this truck, it came out of the Home Depot rental fleet. And for 7 years old, it only has 86,000 miles. I think that's pretty good. Now, some people may balk at purchasing a rental vehicle, but that's why I inspect them personally before buying them, because I don't want a turd as much as you don't want a turd. So I look them all over, and I even gave this truck a 700-mile test drive and bringing it home. Right here is our 6.2-liter V8 gas engine. These have a very good track record. They're strong, they're durable, and tough. And for some additional peace of mind, ask me about our 3-year, 100,000-mile nationwide warranty program that we have available. It's a good product, and I'd love to give you more information. This F250 is sitting on 245 75R17 tires, and we have 80% tire tread or better all the way around with good even wear patterns. And please know, if this truck is not exactly what you're looking for, or maybe you have some more questions, hey, reach out to me, give me a call, or go to our website. We would love to help you out. Well, that about wraps it up. We really appreciate you watching, and we want you to know that my name's Jeff with Truck-n-Trailer, and we're here to help you grow your business.
All right, next lot, here's Cola Sign, 1950s. And you know what it's worth, fellas. Looks neat on a barn or building. Here around 25 to be able to start it. 25 to be like 25 to 50. 50 to be able to make 75 to 100 to be 100 to be 125, 125 to 150. 150 to be 175 to 125.